everybody, Sylvia here. I am in Utah, an area called Hurricane. Of course, it's spelt hurricane. It's very near to St. George, Utah. I've been here for a number of days and the winds have been absolutely ridiculous. Every day that I have been on the road for like the last month in California, in Arizona, in Nevada, and now Utah, every day has been super, super windy. And today I've got a break in the wind. And so I'm taking my trike out and I'm going to explore some of these public lands. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Camped on BLM, Bureau of Land Management. It doesn't cost anything and you can camp for up to 14 days at a time. There are no services, so you have to come with everything you need. Fresh water, there's no bathrooms, there's no electricity. And I just find it to be a really, really, really fun experience. And I have already met quite a few people here, and it's close enough to St. George, Utah that I can go in and go shopping. Whoa. Willow the schoolie. Oh, hey, buddy, what's going on? Hello, hello. Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so this is the road people take in and they just look for a place to camp where they can get their trailer, or like that guy has a school bus. I'm actually in a designated camping spot, but not everybody is, and I think you do take some risk that a ranger may come by and ask you to leave. So I turned off of the road where I am camped, and it looks like I've come to a hiking and mountain biking trail, JEM, and it's really, really quite beautiful here. But this is not a road that's going to go through. It looks like somebody's camped back here. But yeah, just lovely. So I'm going to turn it around, head back down the road that I am camped on, and hopefully find another way to get off of this this mesa. Yeah, let's see. So I have turned off of the road I'm camped on and across the gravel road that goes to the main highway. And now I'm on, I think this is like for those Polaris four-wheel drive vehicles. And I'm gonna see if it's trikeable, if it's gonna be fun to trike this, but so far so good. I have traction, which is the most important thing. And it's really quite beautiful here, that is for sure. All right, so I had kind of an adventure out here. It wasn't a very long ride, but it was really a lot of fun. And I just always get a kick out of going on unpaved roads. And I'm almost back to my campsite now. This whole ride was on unpaved roads on BLM land, Bureau of Land Management. This is public lands and it's free to camp. And I've got my drone here following me. We'll see what kind of footage I can get. Doesn't look like anybody is around. Everybody's trucks are gone, so I know it's not gonna bother anybody to fly my drone. Yeah, just a little bit further here. All these roads are really not in great shape, so I had to take it very, very slow. But my trike is pretty capable, and with the suspension on all three wheels and then having the roll-off speed hub so I don't have to deal with a derailleur hanging down, you know, that certainly helps a lot. So yeah, let me know what you think about this ride. Little off-roading in southern Utah on Bureau of Land Management public lands. And just so fortunate that the winds died down. My gosh, it has just been crazy windy every single day. And so I just thought I'm gonna take advantage of these calmer skies and explore this camping area a little bit. So yeah, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. All right, Skydio, come on home.